2010 was not a good year for tourism in the state of Alabama, primarily because of the BP oil spill's impact on the beaches. But further inland, some cities like Selma saw an increase in visitors and hoped for even more. So how did it happen? WSFA 12 News reporter Melissa McKinney went to Dallas County for the answer.
Here near the mall.
Murtis Williams Jr. is the type of person Selma tourism directors want to see in town.
I like Selma. It's just so historic.
He's from Detroit and visits the city often. Each time, he likes it even more.
Since the 80s, we've been coming, like I say, twice, maybe 3 times a year, and I've seen quite a lot of improvement.
City planners say thanks to folks like Williams, lodging tax revenues were up roughly 18% last year. Candace Johnson, Selma's tourism director, says getting folks here starts with getting rid of this old commercial.
Visit Selma, Alabama any time of year, and you'll find history for the taking.
We are looking for new footage to update the look of Selma because that's the direction we're taking tourism. We're being progressive, we're holding on to our history, but we are moving forward.
As the city strives to bring more tourists to town, downtown business owners are jumping on the bandwagon, offering gifts that are unique to Selma, giving visitors a little piece of the city to take home with them.
We have the Taste of Old Selma, which is the joint effort on the historic district to put together a wonderful cookbook.
It represents different parts of the town, historic downtown.
Doris Truax and Tim Williamson, both downtown merchants, appreciate the city's efforts and are taking their own initiative too.
Our business was mainly prescriptions, filling prescriptions, and so we tried to add some upfront merchandise to catch the flow of people coming into the drugstore.
One thing is for sure, Williams is already sold on Selma.
We're going to be retiring, my wife and I, in the next couple years, and we're literally looking for properties today.
A city reinventing itself, letting the past shape future growth. Melissa McKinney, WSFA 12 News, Selma.
Tourism directors plan to have the new television commercials out by March. They'll air across the river region and in Mississippi and Georgia. Selma's Interpretive Center and Riverfront Park are 2 areas that directors hope will attract a lot of visitors once they're completed. City planners hope to have the center open in time for the Selma Bridge crossing festivities this spring. Land has been cleared for the park, and sidewalks and a small bridge have already been built. New at 10 o'clock, a development